What up, brothers? Today we're breaking this 17-18 Panini Prestige Basketball retail hanger boxes. There should be 60 cards inside, and specific to these hanger boxes, orange micro H Rockies and also missed parallels. Somehow these parallels are depressive because some fat packs had rain parallels and hangers have missed parallels. Like they should be like sunburst parallels, like in Revolution. And the first card is the Rookie of the Year contestant Donovan Mitchell. Paul George, already in OCT uniform. A lot of Rockies in the beginning. Yeah, like Zach Collins. Actually, John Collins from Atlanta is good, but Zach Collins from Portland averages something like 0.5 points per game. Damian Dotson, I actually didn't know that he's playing. I thought he was just drafted and not playing. Chris Paul, Tyler Dorsey playing ahead of the empty arena. Ike Anigbogu, Evan Turner, Harry Juice. So yeah, they didn't get a game action photo of him, so kind of a boring background. Damian Lillard, and another Rookie of the Year contestant, Kyle Kuzma. Tobias Harris. And that's not even like the Rookie of the Year contestant, it's like the league MVP, Alonso Ball. Alex Len, the Ukrainian injury-prone player, the only gay in the NBA. And yeah, I think this is the missed insert. They're actually super similar to the rain inserts. So I have this is a rain insert, and this is like a missed insert. So the frequency of these lines is slightly higher on the rain insert, but they're pretty similar. Tobias Harris, also like a missed insert. The smartest player in the NBA, missed insert, and that's a regular insert, quite boring, of Magic Johnson. I don't know, is it difficult to come up with some like more innovative inserts than just like stars and so on. Kuzma rookie class, all-time greats. Buddy Hield, the king of Bahamas basketball. And oh my god, like the king himself is here, the emperor. Gordon Hayward unfortunately broke his leg in the first game of the season, and this is our first micro edge orange insert of Justin Jackson. Like I really like this frame of micro edge. Our Rockies, and our second micro edge Rookie is Tyler Dorsey. Kyle Lowry, what is it? That's actually a missed parallel of Hard Heroes insert. And I think we're back to base. Kemba Walker, the March Madness champion from 10-11. Kevin Lover, Harrison Burns, one of the best three-point shooters. Winnie the Pooh, King James, Jamal Murray, DeAndre Jordan, Roddy Gobert, this Sudanese Australian. I'm not sure like if Thornmaker is representing Australia or Sudan. internationally. And D'Angelo Russell, DeAndre Bembry. Yeah, that's a great action photography. Like that's like you can see the intensity of the game from the face of Anthony Davis, Rodney Hood, Nikola Mirotic, Julius Randle, and Miles Turner. LaMarcus Aldridge and Justin Patton. I think Justin Patton didn't play any NBA games, so there are no true action photos of him. So I got these two hangers on eBay for $19.98 for two blasters. So I think the recommended price is $9.99. But unfortunately, the models where I used to buy a lot of retail is now not storing cards anymore, so I have to rely on eBay. And Gershon Yabusele. Where is the guy? This guy from? Draymond Green, Oganunobi, Steph. Again, amazing photography of Steph. Ikanik Bogo. Yeah, that I'm not sure where he did. It's either at Memphis or no, it's Indiana, but that attendance sucks. Van Turner, and again Harry Juice, Rook, Kyle Kuzma, Rook, Tobias Harris, no Rook, and Evan Turner, missed. DeAndre Jordan missed. Would be nice to get a missed of Rook, Markieff Morris missed, and then we are back to the most uninspiring inserts in the history of NBA cards. James Harden and rookie class of Milos Teodosic. All-time greats. Hardcore heroes Harrison Burns. And rookie class, the first overall pick, which is actually I don't understand why Philadelphia keeps picking these injury-prone players. So I hope that our orange micro H Rook, no, it's bacon. I would just like to fry it on my frying pan with some eggs. And John Collins, it's actually not a bad card at all. So John Collins, although he was drafted I think 19th, he's playing much better than Zach Collins from Portland, which was drafted 10th or so. Oh my God, Lonzo. Yeah, and that's missed parallel of the Hardcore Heroes insert. Look at this photo. Lonzo is showing his incomparable skills. The true leader of the NBA already at the age of 19. Oh my God, Lonzo. I love you, Lonzo. Yeah, that's clearly the best card from this break. Dwight Howard, Robert Covington, Courtney Lee, Kyrie Irving, Nerlens Noel. Again, a superstar from Bahamas, D Rose. I'm actually not sure, is he still in the league or no? He was traded to Utah, but I don't think he will make the roster of Utah. Paul Millsap, Kemba Walker, Victor Oladipo, Matthew Kentavius. I don't know, how does it feel to go to school if your name is Kentavius? Blake Griffin, Sean Kilpatrick, Mike Muscala, Drew Holiday, Alec Burks, Justin Holiday, Brook Lopez, a long time Nets, DeAndre Jordan, and Rudy Gobert. So overall, not a super exciting break, but of course, a couple of attractive cards like this hard card Heroes Missed Parallel of Alonso, and then this Micro Edge Orange Rocky of John Collins.